Guess what? I bought this meal from the McDonald's and they gave me a gift. Let's unbox it and check what's inside. Cause last month I bought like almost 5,000 meals, so let's check what's inside this one. It looks heavy. So I think it's kind of a burger. Oh wow, it's like a fake burger. Oh no, it's like kind of something. Oh wow, it's like the Big Mac. Okay, so this was the Big Mac and some stickers, and I don't know how to use this one. Wow, it's soft. There it is. I got the McDonald's gift. This is the, I think, kind of like how to use this one. There it is. Like you need to slap maybe 3 times to light it up. So let's do it.